Tired of getting your Wise card declined at checkout? Here's exactly how to check your spending limits in under a minute. So here's the thing. You're going to the store, you're about to pay, and then decline. It's embarrassing, it's annoying, and it makes you wonder if there's some hidden number you just aren't seeing. I get it. I've been there myself. But here's the good news. Wise actually makes this super easy to find once you know where to look. We'll go through 3 simple clicks in your Wise account to find your limits. Let's start.
First, log into your Wise account and click on your profile icon. Now, this is the little person-shaped icon, usually in the top right corner of your screen. Don't worry about memorizing it. You'll spot it right away once you're logged in. And here's the thing I love about Wise. They keep everything in one place. So once you find your profile, you're basically already halfway there. Take your time getting logged in. I'll wait right here. So now that we've got that set up, let's move on to the next step. From the Profile menu, select Limits. You'll see a drop-down or a sidebar menu pop up, and Limits should be right there in the list. It might be between something like Account Settings and Security, depending on your view. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why is it tucked away in your profile? Well, Wise treats your spending limits like a personal account setting, not a card feature. It makes sense once you realize they want you to have control over how much goes through your card each day, not just what you have in your balance. So click on that Limits option and wait just a second for the page to load. Now click on Your Spending Limits to see the details. All right, this is where the magic happens. Once you click that, you'll see a clear breakdown of exactly how much you can spend. And I mean clear. Wise actually shows you the numbers, not some confusing percentage or a fussy graph. You'll see your current spending, your limit, and how much you have left. And here's the part I really appreciate. They break it down by time periods. So you'll see a daily limit, a monthly limit, and sometimes even a per transaction limit, depending on your account type. Now, pay attention to this one. These limits aren't just pulled out of thin air. They're based on your account verification level, how long you've been with Wise, and a few other behind-the-scenes factors. But the point is, it tells you right there on the screen. No guesswork. And honestly, that's it. From uncertainty about card spending limits to confidently knowing your exact limits and avoiding declined transactions. 3 clicks, maybe a minute of your time, and you never have to worry about that awkward declined moment again. Bookmark this page if you want, or just remember these 3 quick steps. Profile, limits, your spending limits. That way, next time you're out shopping or booking a trip, you can spend with total peace of mind, knowing exactly what your card can handle. Happy spending!